gotta talk to me.
I can't get. I literally had to run and hide to get away from him. Vic just tried to me, and I come to my mom, and she's just trying to fight with me.
I'm not saying I don't believe you, fam.
But why would they call the police? I'm off fentanyl now, and I'm trying to get help with mental help. I'm depressed, and I came to my mom. Why? You're supposed to protect me.
She's literally hitting locks on the back. She's like busted glass everywhere. Excuse me.
So, I mean, I'm going to charge this Chris on her.
Wait, was that her back here?
Yeah, in my back. I wanted to do something with
Hey. Hey.
Get away from me.
You gotta talk to me.
No, they're crazy. They won't go away from me.
We're not crazy.
I haven't done nothing. You won't leave me alone.
You got to talk to me, Faith. You gotta come out.
They are lying on me. I have not hit nobody.
On June 14, 2024, officers responded to a domestic disturbance call in which both parties presented visible injuries. Under Illinois v. Gates, 1983, probable cause requires a fair probability that a crime was committed, assessed through the totality of circumstances, not a single complainant's account. When both parties carry visible injuries, most states require a primary aggressor assessment before any arrest is made. That analysis evaluates injury severity, defensive wounds, prior history at the address, and which party posed the greater threat of continued violence. No primary aggressor analysis is documented on camera, and the arrest proceeded on a single-track probable cause determination. Under Maryland v. Garrison, 1987, officers carry an obligation to conduct a reasonable investigation before acting, an obligation not fully satisfied here.
I'm trying to come home.
You gotta open the door so we can talk to you.
Please leave me alone.
I think she stole this from Heidi. You might want to call and check to see if she took any money.
What did I steal from Heidi?
Why do you have her debit card and her...
Vicks that was on his tray. Why are y'all doing this to me? I just want to come home and just be home, and y'all are crazy. I did not put my... Y'all... No, they're crazy. I have my own problems. But they won't stop.
You're gonna have to talk. You're gonna have to talk. Okay? Can't understand what you're talking about. What happened?
Whatever they want to say happened. At first, I guess I hit my mom, and now I'm doing this and that and this and that. She won't get away from me, man.
Is it you live in this house here?
And I don't want to live here no more.
I'm saying, do you live here? Right?
Yes.
Talk to him. Right?
Yes.
Don't let yourself do that.
Why would you call the police on me when I was just trying to tell you I needed help? Why would you do that to me?
I'm just kind of trying to...
No, because why am I going to be the law called on me? I can't get... I literally had to run and hide to get away from him.
What do you... So you're wanting help?
Away from... Not like help like that, like away from them. Literally, Vic just tried to me, and I come to my mom, and she's just trying to fight with me. And then tells my brother I hit her. I never hit her. She's in here scratching me up and down my body. What do you mean? Arguing. We were arguing. Heidi, that is Vic's roommate. Those are her guards. He has no lights, he has no water. Mom let him move all his stuff in here. He wants to be with me. He's an old man. I don't want him. And I just tried telling my mom that, and she won't believe me.
So how did these get over here?
She asked her. All Vic's stuff was here. And since I left, because I don't want to be with the old man, I don't know what's going on. I don't want to get away from him. I don't want to live here. I don't want to be around them. They're lying, saying I hit her. If I hit her, she wouldn't be standing. She's old. Are you kidding me?
Well, I'm not saying I don't believe you, fam. I'm just trying to get you...
But why would they call the police?
That's what we're trying to figure out.
I don't know what they're white trash.
Well, we're trying to talk to everybody, okay? That way
I
we
don't
can
want to
figure out-
talk to anybody. I'm trying to breathe. I can't even breathe. Like every time I come here, this is why I don't come here. She wonders why I don't want to be here. This is why I don't want to be here. This is a f***ing harassment. Please. Why? Like this, she should be in trouble for the amount of time she calls the f***ing police on me, man.
Well, we're just here. We're here to help. Okay.
Like I'm hot. I just wanted to take a shower. I can't get in the shower because they start unlocking the door. Like, please just like, is there any way I can can I just leave? Like, I'll walk.
Not right now.
I
Right
don't
now we're
care.
trying to figure out what's going on.
I didn't put hands
okay?
on nobody. I'm not getting charges pressed on me for nothing. I'm dealing with my own f***ing mental health. Why the f*** do we have to listen to this bullshit? It don't matter, they're gonna bleed Charlie's stupid white fat ass anyway. This is not even funny.
So Heidi lives over there with Vic?
I should never even came back here. It's okay, Mom, let a f***ing guy try and
Faith.
What is wrong with you guys?
Faith. Does Heidi live over there with
I don't
Vic?
know.
Let's talk to me for a second. Are you wanting to... Stand up for me. Stand up. Put your cigarette out.
My secret out. Why?
Put your hand down.
Why am I going to jail?
That's about it.
I didn't do nothing.
County MA, we're
I
secure.
really did. I did not do nothing. Please don't do this to me.
have to.
Why?
She's got a cut on her forehead.
Are you kidding me? I did not do that. Please don't, Mom. Do not put me in jail.
Turn around, babe.
Please don't put me in jail. I didn't do nothing.
Turn around.
Is this for real?
It is for real. Turn around.
Where's the proof for this? I did not put my hands on my mom.
Turn around.
I will. Just why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Why?
Do you have anything on your person?
No.
Do you have any pockets, Faye?
No. Why are you doing this to me? I don't know. I'm dealing with so much shit right now. Why are you doing this to me? I did not put my hands on her. Why are you gonna do this to me?
She's got a mark on her forehead.
I got a mark. I gotta deal with shit. What? So that what? Charlie's been trying to put me in jail. You know how many times you came out here from her calling on me? You know this. What?
Do you have anything in your pockets?
No.
We got shoes anywhere?
No, I want the truth. Why am I going to jail? Why would you do this? Mom, why are you sending me to jail? I did nothing to you, Mom. Mom, why would you do this to me? I should have never came home. I came home because he tried f***ing raping me. Please, no, don't do this, please. What do you mean? You have to have proof for that. I got a cut on me. What about that? I would not hit my mom. Please, you gotta listen to me. You gotta listen to me. Yes, she just was in here fighting me. I do not want to hurt my mom. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. Please listen.
Been out here how many times? The fights with her.
And I have not once hit her. I'm not. Charlie came over here and oh my! Please listen. I swear to God, I'm sitting. Please don't do this to me. She's trying to fight me. What do you mean? Vic just tried to rape me, and I came home to tell my mom. Barrett, the one with the cards. Yes, and I just told my mom, and then she started acting nuts because she believes him. She's crazy. I don't know why she likes him. I don't know why. Like, back then he was the one that got me on fentanyl. I'm off fentanyl now, and I'm trying to get help with mental help. I'm depressed, and I came to my mom. Why?
Second, the Miranda issue. At approximately 5 minutes into the footage, the officer communicated that Faith was going to jail. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984, the Miranda threshold is crossed when a reasonable person would not believe they were free to leave. A person surrounded by officers and told they are going to jail meets that standard without question. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, custodial interrogation without prior rights advisement renders resulting statements subject to suppression under the exclusionary rule. No Miranda warnings appear anywhere in the 12 minutes and 38 seconds of recorded footage. Third, the sexual assault disclosure. At 2 minutes and 31 seconds, Faith stated clearly that a third party had attempted to rape her before she returned home. Standard law enforcement protocol, and in many jurisdictions statutory requirement, obligates officers to treat such a disclosure as an independent investigative matter. That obligation was not met. The disclosure received no documented follow-up, no resource advisement, and no secondary investigation.
Look, I swear to God, where? Doesn't matter, no one's gonna believe me. I'm getting sent to fucking jail. Please don't send me to jail. What?
Hey, talk to me about Vic. Tell me what happened.
No, I don't want to go. I didn't do nothing.
I'm trying to help you with what happened earlier. But I gotta know what happened. I can't do it.
Look at this. I ain't going to jail for what? I swear to God.
This is a different thing. This is a different thing. I'm trying to figure out what happened between you and Vic.
I don't even care about Vic. I want to know why my mom's putting me in jail. I didn't do nothing. I'm dealing with enough court stuff already. Why is she doing this to me?
Can you hand me your phone?
Why?
That way I can give it to you at the jail.
What?
Because I don't want it to fall and get smashed.
It's fine, I got it. Please listen to me. You've been out here.
I'm trying to
How many
listen to
times
you.
did you come out here?
I came out here a lot.
And then she kept calling on me and she wouldn't leave me alone. I didn't do nothing to her, I
But
promise.
this is a different thing. I've got to figure this out.
I live here too.
I know.
So no one gets my side of the story. They just believe Charlie because he's so perfect.
Well, I'm trying to figure out what happened between you and Vic. That way I can help you with that.
The big thing I don't care about. She don't care about. She believes him over me. Why would she? Don't do this to me.
All right. Well, Blaine's up there right now trying to get the rest of the story, okay? We're trying to figure out
why are they asking them? Charlie has been trying to put me in jail.
Well, I'm sure he's going to talk to you too, okay?
Please, no, don't take me to jail.
I don't want to reach. Hand me your phone. I don't want to reach for it.
I know. Why do you need my phone?
I just want to make sure it doesn't get broke or anything.
It's not broken.
I'm giving it to you at the jail, okay?
I hold it. I've held it every other time y'all take me. Everyone always takes me. The charges, I didn't do nothing. I swear to God.
I don't know if you know anything about the new laws.
I don't know nothing about laws.
You don't hang out for 2 weeks anymore, okay?
What do you mean 2 weeks?
You get out pretty quickly.
But I shouldn't have to go. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. No, I did not. Why are you going to listen to that?
She's got a
oh my God, please don't do this.
I have to.
Please, what can I do, please?
I have to take you to jail.
You can't just take me somewhere else. I did not do nothing to her. My brother has had it out for me forever. Please don't do this to me.
Explain yourself in court.
I already have enough court stuff. I don't want to go to jail. I didn't do nothing.
But you have to.
Please don't do this to me.
My recommendation is when you get out of jail, don't come back.
I don't have nowhere to live. I have to come here.
You guys are not.
Why is she please don't do this. Please don't do this to me.
Where'd it go?
Mom. Please. You're supposed to protect me. I did not do nothing. I hide from him every time. Cody has saw it. I run from him.
Go, Faith.
Please, I didn't do nothing. This is a bullshit.
At the time of this analysis, the outcome of any criminal proceedings arising from this arrest remains unknown. Based on the documented record, charges face 3 legal challenges: suppression of custodial statements made without Miranda advisement, probable cause adequacy without completed primary aggressor analysis in a bilateral injury situation, and failure to address a contemporaneous sexual assault disclosure, which carries independent civil liability exposure under Section 1983. The responding officer receives a B-. De-escalation was consistent and professional throughout, and no force beyond what was necessary for a compliant arrest was applied. However, the absence of Miranda warnings during functional custody, the failure to initiate a parallel sexual assault investigation, and the lack of bilateral injury assessment expose the jurisdiction to suppression motions and civil liability. Faith receives a C+. She complied with the physical arrest without resistance, and her repeated sexual assault disclosure gave officers the complete picture they needed to respond appropriately. However, continuing to make statements after the encounter became custodial was legally counterproductive. Invoking the Fifth Amendment and requesting an attorney was the legally optimal response. The department's systemic response receives a D. This encounter required domestic violence protocol sexual assault investigation, mental health crisis intervention, and a housing safety plan. What occurred was a single-track arrest, technically defensible under a narrow probable cause standard but inadequate under every other measure. 3 takeaways from this encounter. 1. If officers indicate you are going to jail, stop talking. State clearly, I am invoking my right to remain silent. I want an attorney. Everything said after that point is a gift to the prosecution. 2. If you disclose a separate crime during an unrelated call, document what you said when you said it, and to whom. That record matters in any subsequent proceeding. 3. Bilateral injuries trigger legal obligations. Document your injuries immediately through photographs and medical examination. Do not rely on the officer's field assessment as the final record. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.